guys, I've gotten a lot of questions on numbers 13 and 14, and so I figured I would go over those with you. So let's talk about number 13. So the first thing that I want to do, I'm talking about perimeter, right? And I have a map on a 3 by 5. So let's draw a quick picture. So if I draw a picture, I've got a 3 by 5, okay? And I'm going to have an enlargement that is going to be 8 inches long. And so it's going to be something wide, but 8 inches long, okay? And we want to compare those perimeters. So the first thing I'm going to do is find my scale factor. So remember, scale factor is going to be the new one over the old one, so 8/5. Second thing I need to do is find this perimeter, right? I got to figure out what this perimeter is so that I can figure out what this perimeter is going to be. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So if this is 5, this is 5. This is 3, this is 3. So if I add up all those sides, I'm going to get a 16. So the perimeter of the old one is 16. So you're just going to multiply these two together to get the perimeter of this one, okay? But then it also says that you need to find the area. So the area of this first one is going to be 15. So the area of the old one is 15. So the area of the new one, remember you're going to do the scale factor twice. Okay, so to get this area, you have to do 8/5 squared times that 15. Okay, so one more time, the perimeter is going to be 8/5 times 16. The area will be 8/5 squared times 15. Okay? So I hope that helps you with number 13. Number 14 says that you're going to reduce the dimensions, and the area of one of them is 4. And so the area is 4 for this one, and we want to reduce it, and it says by 1/4, and we're reducing an area, okay? And so you're going to do 1/4 squared, okay, and then times this old one, which is 4. All right, hopefully that helps you get those two started.